Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile Graintex GB2845 grab bag set, a must-have for tool enthusiasts and mobile professionals alike. This set includes 3 durable grab bags in vibrant orange, yellow, and hunter green, each crafted from heavy-duty ripstop canvas for long-lasting use. With 6 large inner compartments and 12 medium-sized outer pockets, these bags are perfect for organizing small tools, screws, and other essential items, making them an ideal tool pouch for crafts and repairs. The convenient drawstring closure ensures your items stay secure, while the compact design allows for easy transport and storage, fitting neatly into any 5-gallon bucket. Measuring 10 inches in diameter and 7 inches in height, these grab bags are designed to keep your workspace tidy and efficient, whether you're on a job site or tackling projects at home. Perfect for both men and women, these bags serve as a practical nail bag or small parts organizer, offering a versatile solution for all your organizing needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to streamline your tools and small parts with the Graintex GB2845 grab bag set, a reliable companion for both professional and personal use. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.